What's going on, everybody? It's your girl, Abby. Or whatever. Um, Today, I might dress up stuff like what should, um, like what I'm gonna be doing, like vlogging about. If this gets even views, probably not, but because I have no life. So, I'm going to be doing like story times or like story times and like morning routines, maybe like setting up a Christmas tree or something. That will come up soon actually because I haven't set up my Christmas tree. And so, like maybe I even like try to fake sick to go to school and then maybe if my mom, because she is like not strict but like strict when it comes to school. So like I'll do morning routines and like maybe next month I'll do a vlog to Great Vlog if you even want to see that. So yeah, and I'll do stuff like that. And oh, and this might be coming if my mom lets me doing her makeup. So that is really fun. That would be really fun. Vlog idea, YouTube video challenge, and then like comment stuff. Maybe like next after Christmas, I'll do like what I got for Christmas, what like I buy with my own money, and like do some slime stuff. So that's gonna be good. But yeah, so maybe just comment stuff you want to see for this month. I'm really not doing nothing much, but like maybe like Christmas like stuff. So yeah, this is just like if I get anything, get any views, anything. This is like some ideas that I have in my mind. So hopefully I get to do these. So